Hello friend, the installation method of CP305 drum chip. First pull out the paper tray in the bottom. Open the printer front cover. Then open the transfer cover. Find out the 4 locking levers. Twist it by 90 degrees in anti-clockwise direction until it is loose status. Then you can take out the drum unit. The drum chip is in this position. Now remove the chip buckle first. Press the hole slightly with a tweezers. The chip buckle is removed now. Then you can take out the drum chip. Replace it with a new jet drum chip. Install it like this. Firstly, fix the back side of chip. Withstand there by your hand. Then install this chip buckle. Aim at the position and get the chip stuck firmly. The chip is installed successfully. Then push the drum unit into the printer slot. Twist the 4 locking levers into locked status, means twist them 90 degrees in clockwise direction. All 4 locking levers have to be locked. Close the front cover of printer. Lastly, put back the paper tray. Now we finish the installation of the drum chip. Welcome everyone to leave a comment on the website. Printer chip related problems to ask Janinda. We will actively help you answer.